Sorry. We'll point it out. Yeah, we'll point it out. Okay? The purpose of our tour is to introduce you to Ames, help you know how to get around. I'll point out the main thoroughfares so that you have a clue of where you're at when you get back here this fall. How many of you have been to Iowa State and Ames before, prior to today? So some of you pretty much know your way around, but we've got a few out-of-towners here that just don't have a clue maybe. So we'll try and help you out. I would like to introduce you to our bus driver. Her name is Kristen, and she's going to tell you a little bit about the CyRide opportunity to get around town.
And I'm going to get out the video camera.
Can I go ahead? Hi, my name is Kristen Gady. I'm from Conrad, Iowa, and I'm a junior here at Iowa State, and I'm your bus driver for this evening. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about CyRide and some of the services that we offer. CyRide offers 3 basic services. It offers a dial-a-ride service, which is a premium door-to-door service for the elderly and the disabled. The second type of service that we offer is called Night Ride. And Night Ride runs Friday and Saturday evenings from 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. When classes are in session. And this is a door-to-door service. To use this service, you just call the office and tell them where you are, where you want to go, and what time you'd like to be picked up. They come right to your door and pick you up, and then take you right to where you want to go and drop you off. Our third type of service, Night Ride is free. The government and student body at Iowa State pays for Night Ride, so it's at no cost to you. Our last type of service that we offer is called Fixed Route. Now, Fixed Route covers all of Ames, north, south, east, and west. And we have 6 fixed routes. These are color-coded, and they stop wherever there's a CyRide bus stop sign, which is, you'll see one that's right outside my door, and you'll see them as we go around tonight. To get on this Fixed Route service, all you do is you look on the schedule, and you go stand at one of those stops, and the bus will stop and pick you up. To get off that service, you need to pull one of these bell cords that run down the sides of our bus. When you pull this, you hear a bell sound, and the bus driver stops at the next stop. Now, a month ago, my dad came up to visit, and he got on the bus. He's never been on a city bus before. First thing he did was pull the bell cord about 5 times. I kindly told him that if he did it again, I'd have to ask him to get off. I won't ask you to get off, but if you pull the bell once, the bus driver will stop, and that's how you get off our bus. CyRide is driven by 75% of our drivers are students. So if you get on the bus and you know where you want to go, but you aren't quite sure if you're on the right bus, ask the driver. If they don't know, they'll find out. CyRide Iowa State is lucky to have a bus service because you can't take your car to campus. We have security gates. When I was a freshman here at Iowa State, I lived right over here at Maple Hall. I parked south of the football stadium. I rode the bus to get my car. It was too far for me to walk, I guess, or something, but the bus was much more convenient. In the long run, I ended up riding the bus more and leaving the car just sit there because it was cheaper. Last year, parking systems at Iowa State gave 66,000 parking tickets. That's $15 a ticket. They add up very quickly. If it says 30-minute parking zone at 29, you better be there moving your car if you're going to have a parking ticket. And I hope you enjoy your tour, and if you have any questions, right now? Okay, if you have any throughout the evening, if you just pull the bell cord, it kind of gets everybody's attention, and we perk up and listen a little better. Hope you enjoy the trip.